Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix the small display issue in VirtualBox. As you can see, even if I click on full screen mode, the screen doesn't fit properly. It gives that weird square or box shape. And when I try scaled mode, it also doesn't fix the resolution completely. But don't worry, it's actually super easy to solve. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step is to install guest additions inside your virtual machine. Open File Explorer in your VirtualBox windows and you'll see the guest addition CD inserted. Now here, click Install or Run Program. It will show an error like Application Not Found. So instead, right-click the CD drive and select Open Autoplay, then choose Open Folder to view files. Now, look for the file name VBox Windows Editions and D64, double-click to install it. Once the installation is complete, select Reboot Now and click Finish. Your virtual machine will restart automatically. After rebooting, go to the top menu, hover over View and click on Full Screen Mode again. And now, as you can see, the screen resolution fits perfectly. No more square or weird box display. It's now full screen and looks clean. And that's how you fix the screen resolution issue in VirtualBox Windows 7. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.